This video will show you how to create a new Excel file from a text or CSV file and how to import a text or CSV file into an existing workbook. Creating a new Excel file from text. Open Excel. Click Browse. Click the drop-down menu and select All Files. Select your text file and click Open. Once you click Open, the text import wizard will expand, containing a preview of your text file. Choose whether the text file is delimited or fixed width. Check the box next to My Data has headers if your columns have headers. Click Next in the text import window. Adjust your fixed width preferences and click Next. Click Finish. Your text file is now imported into Excel. You can now edit the data as you would on a standard worksheet. Save the file in the Excel format. Import text into an existing file. Click the Data tab at the top of Excel. Click from Text/CSV. Select a text file and click Import. Click Load. The text file is now imported into your Excel worksheet. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.